Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making baked tilapia. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. You will need 1 pound of tilapia, 2/3 cup of Bisquick mix, 1/4 cup of yellow cornmeal, 1½ teaspoons of lemon pepper seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 2 tablespoons of water. Coat the bottom of a baking dish with butter, then set it aside until later. In another dish, combine the flour, cornmeal, salt, and lemon pepper and mix well. In a third dish, whisk together the egg and the water. Coat the fish with the egg wash, then the flour mixture, then place it in the baking pan. Transfer to the preheated oven and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, flip the fish and allow it to cook for an additional 15 to 20 minutes or until it is golden brown. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. And Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps